Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A20e, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then click on the More icon, which is 3-1 in the right upper corner, and then select the settings. Now you have to click on Block Numbers, and you can either block all unknown colors simply by tapping on this switcher, or you can add some particular number by tapping on Add Phone Number. You can write the number that you would like to block and then tap on plus. You can also choose some number from recent callers or one from the contacts that you would like to block. So from now on, numbers that are included in your blacklist will not be able to reach you. Once you want to remove some number from your blacklist, simply tap on the minus icon, and that is all. From now on, this number will be able to call you or send you a message. And that would be all. This is how you can block a number in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.